The assignments you give your students fall into broad categories such as homework, tests, and quizzes. In PowerTeacher Pro, set up your own categories or use district-created categories to group similar types of assignments. Defining categories you're likely to use most often will make it faster to create assignments and easier to grade them. Your district leaders have already created a few categories, but you want to add a couple more to suit your needs. For example, your students sometimes work in groups to complete projects, so create a category to classify those assignments as group work. To create an assignment category in the gradebook, begin on the PowerTeacher Start page and click PowerTeacher Pro. Then click Create. Then select Category. On the Category tab of the Create Category window, open the Select Classes menu and select the class or classes in which you will use the category. You assign group work assignments in all of your classes, so select the current class. Then check the box to the right of Other Classes to select the remaining classes. Click the Select Classes menu again to close it. In the Name field, enter the name of the category. Next, define which color will be associated with the category. The default color is blue, but you want to make sure that color is not already assigned to another category, so click View All. The View All tab lists all of the categories that you or your district leaders have created. Notice that district-created categories are identified by an icon that looks like a schoolhouse next to the category name. None of the existing categories are blue, so return to the Category tab. Use the default status of Active to set the group work category as one that you are currently using. Next, enter a description of the category. Then, click the Assignment Defaults tab. Use the Assignment Defaults tab to define the default settings for the assignments you create in this category. But don't worry, if the default settings don't work for a specific assignment, you can edit the settings for that assignment. You use points to score most group work assignments, so open the Score Type menu and select Points. You typically don't include extra points in group work assignments or weight them, so do not select those options. In the Score Entry Points field, enter the number of points that assignments in this category will be worth by default. To include assignments in this category in final grade calculations by default, verify that Count in Final Grade is selected. Then, to save the new category, click Save. The notification at the top of the window indicates that you've saved the category successfully. And if you ever want to edit the category, just click Grading and select Categories. Remember, to create a category, click Create and then select Category. Select the classes you'll use the category in and define the name, color, and description. Then enter the default settings for assignments in the category and click Save. Now, when your students collaborate on a group project together, you'll be able to categorize the assignments as group work in your gradebook, making it easier for you to stay organized and analyze student performance.